Hammer time for SA buyers and sellers. Christmas may be just around the corner, but it isn't here yet. And plenty of South Australians are still very much in buying and selling mode, with Adelaide's auction market still reporting a fairly solid performance. Eastern Stunner 4 Knightsbridge Rd Hazelwood Park sold at auction over the weekend for $1.45 million, making it the state's top sale for the week. According to the property's realestate.com.au listing, the 1910-built home has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and 2 parking spaces and is set on a 1,207 SQM allotment. 103 Sydney Street, Glenunga, a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home, was the week's second highest auction, selling for $1.2925 million. 57 Fairford Street, Unley, a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom stunner, came in at third place, selling for $1.205 million. According to CoreLogic, this week Adelaide saw a preliminary clearance rate of 61.4% across a total of 132 scheduled auctions. This is higher than the previous week, when Adelaide's clearance rate was 58.3% and also higher than the 57.3% recorded 1 year ago. This time last year there were 113 scheduled auctions. Nationally, the number of properties taken to auction fell across the capital cities. According to realestate.com.au, there are 31 Adelaide auctions scheduled for this week, 7 tomorrow, 13 Wednesday, 5 Thursday, 3 on Friday and 3 on Saturday.